Hi guys, my name is Hiya. In this video, I'll show you how to make easy paper swan. So let's get started. Take a piece of paper and fold it from one edge as shown. I am using half of A4 size paper. Cut the extra as shown. From this extra piece, we can make a smaller size swan following the same steps. Now fold the triangle in half as shown. Open the last fold. Bring one side of the triangle to the middle fold and make a crease. Repeat the same fold on this side as well. Fold the bottom edge in such a way that it should touch the midpoint as shown. Now fold the same edge backwards like this to touch the bottom crease. Now fold it from the middle as shown. This is the swan's neck. Drag it a bit up to shape it properly. Put your fingers inside the side flaps to make them a bit wider. The swan can stand, yay! Paper swan is ready to play with. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please leave a like and comment. If not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Bye.